Hi guys, I'm doing some code.org in preparation for you guys doing it this week. And I wanted to show you how an adult like me who's never done it before can have some trouble. So this is the artist one that I'm showing you. It's puzzle 7 out of 10. That means I've done the first 6. I'm on the 7th puzzle. The first 5 were pretty easy. The 6th one got hard. The first thing you need to do is read these directions. So loop this hexagon code 6 times to create the design. So we are using math today for coding. How many degrees will you need to turn each time? Hint, divide the number of degrees in a circle by the number of times you are looping. Now I think that a circle has 360 degrees. So if I divide 6 by 360, what do I get? Let's think about that. Okay, so it's got this repeat here. And 60 degrees seems to be the way it is. So what I'm going to do first is I can adjust my speed down here to see how fast it goes when it's just running this. So I'm going to see what this does if it just repeats 6 times. If I click run, this is the one they've already set up for me. It did 1 hexagon and says that I'm not quite right, of course, which I know because I just wanted to see that. If I want to click reset and make it go slower and see what it looks like. I can see it going slower. It's moving, it's going through the angles. And each time it moves, it goes straight. You have to say what the angle is you want to turn to. So I know that I'm going to have to repeat this loop. I'm going to have to repeat this 6 times. So I'm going to change that to 6 because it says right here, loop this hexagon code 6 times to create the design. How many degrees we need to turn each time? We said we're going to have to return 60 degrees. So I also want to set my color as random. I'm going to try to do what they just did, move forward 50 degrees, 50 pixels, sorry. 50 pixels is the amount of space I'm going to move from here to here, and it gives me that right here. And then I'm going to try turning right like they did, but 60 degrees. And I'm going to see what happens here. When I do it, I'm going to speed it up a little bit, and then I'm going to run it. This is their code right here. Now it's my turn to do my code. Here's my code. Oh look, my code is the exact same thing their code did. So that did not work. So when I ended up here, back at this starting point right here, I need to go this way. So I need to turn left. I'm trying to picture it in my mind. Turn left by 90 degrees, then go forward 50 pixels, then turn right 60 degrees, then go forward 50 pixels, so I'm turn left, forward 50 pixels, right, forward 50 pixels, right, let's try this, right, forward 60 degrees, sorry, right 60 degrees, forward 50, So I went turn left, straight forward 50 pixels, turn right, straight 60 degrees, forward. Now I need to go, if I'm right here, I need to go right and forward. Need to go right and forward, right, whoops, Wrong one. Right 60 degrees, and then forward 50. Let's see what this does. Nope. See how I'm having trouble? So this is an example of how it might take you a few times to do this, to get through these steps, but eventually by flipping things around and thinking about what you did and by slowing it down if you need to, you will be able to code this diagram. Let me show you what I did on number 6. This took me about